Hey guys, today is Tuesday, so it is my work day at the greenhouse. And today I'm starting off with planting some new proven winner varieties that aren't even out yet. So it's more of a trial to kind of see how they grow and perform. So I'm just going to kind of share with you guys what I'm planting and what new varieties there are, and we'll go from there today. This is a new osteospermum, which I love osteospermums. They're a beautiful, beautiful daisy. They always have these gorgeous colors that fade into one another. It's just absolutely stunning. And these ones are called Bright Lights Horizon Sunset. And when I plant these, I always make sure too to go ahead and take off all the bad flowers. And really, you could go ahead and take off all of the flowers because they're all going to be dead anyways. Allow them to just focus on growing, and that way there's not a big cleanup later when it comes time to sell them. And all I do to remove that flower is kind of just come down here and pop it off, kind of like you would when you were little with those dandelions. This variety here is a new type of a nemesia, and it's so cute and pretty. It reminds me of like miniature pansies or violas. And this one is called a Romance Mulberry. And I won't be able to show you all the varieties because there's a lot that I have to plant yet, and I don't want to take too long and get in trouble. And you guys all know how I love my salvia, so this is a new one of the Rockin series. They have other Rockin colors. I like to use them in my containers and all that good stuff. Rockin Deep Purple. So I'm excited to see how this looks and how it's a little different than the purple that they already have. When I'm planting these, if they're already pretty big and tall, I'm gonna want them to get more bushy for selling season, so it's not just one long stalk or stem kind of coming up there. They naturally get bushy anyways, but why not give it a chance to just be that much bushier for somebody's containers? And all I'm gonna do is go in and do my pinching method, which is just take the center of this plant right here and remove that. By removing that center piece right on the top there, it promotes more growth along the stem and creates a lot of bushiness. It looks like I got another one I have to pinch. Get them bushy. That's how my containers get so big and full, is because I pinch everything. So this here gets me really excited. I love potato vine, and this one's beautiful. Not only is it a dark leaf, but it has this beautiful red tone to it, like almost like a deep burgundy. Just gorgeous. And this one is called Illusion Penny Lace. I love planting. It's one of my favorites. Sorry for the shaky video, but I have it sitting on something. I didn't bring my tripod today, but I think sometimes it's nice to be able to see like the actual planting of them. It's always tough for me to show a lot of what I do a lot of times because I don't always have time for a tripod. But this is what we got today, a stack of flats. Stack of flats to put it on. There we go. All right, for all of you flower lovers out here, here's a beautiful, beautiful Calibrachoa. Calibrachoa are amazing bushy trailers. They do it pretty much on their own. That's their own growth habit. And they just get hundreds of flowers on each plant. So let's see what kind this is, because that is gorgeous. That seems like a pretty good name. Superbell's Prism Pink Lemonade. It does look like lemonade, and then look at how the flower starts out. That little yellow and pink. It's beautiful. This is a really, really beautiful lobelia. I love it. And it's so much more true blue than shown in this video right here. That blue outline is more like a beautiful sky blue. And that's the Laguna Compact Blue with Eye. So I'm really excited to see how this performs. This petunia is extremely dramatic and it's way prettier in person. It's more true in purple than what it shows in the video as well. It's like a midnight purple. It is really cool. This would be awesome accented with oranges to really give like that transition from summertime to fall time. I'm always thinking about how things are gonna look to the transition of fall, because fall is the season that we enjoy a ton. So let's take a look at what this one here is called. Oh yeah, look at that. I didn't even look at the name. That makes a lot of sense. The Vista Midnight. Beautiful. As I plant these, I'm gonna give them a little pinch too. So just take off that little tip. That way it'll be bushy and traily. I don't really know the growth habit of this variety. I'm not sure if it automatically gets bushy as it trails. Certain varieties do that, especially this series, the Vista series. You guys all know how I love my Coleus, and anytime I see a new one, I'm always excited. They're calling this one Mini Me Watermelon. And for the past few years in my containers, I've grown a Coleus that is very, very similar to this one, but it's just by a different company. And the more sun it gets, the more vibrant it gets. So I'm excited to see what this one does. I always love the wire vine plant, and this kind of looks like their take on it. I like that the leaves are just a little bit bigger. Proven Accents big leaf, which that makes sense. I just said it has a little bit bigger of a leaf than the wire plant. So that's pretty. Guess we'll have to find out what that ends up looking like. This is the greenhouse that I'm working in today. I'm planting these little guys in, and it's almost completely full. They made sure to keep a small little spot for these trials over here. But this is one of their newest greenhouses, and it's in the back and it's really hidden. So I feel like I'm on my own in here. Well, I'm all done, so I wonder what they're gonna have me do next. I guess we'll see. The key to getting everyone to like you around here is to tidy up when you're finished. Here's the main house. I'm not working in here today or right now, but it's so filled up even down the rows and on the floors, benches, everything. And there's a lot more planting going on in here, which my sister Jennifer's been doing right over here. None of the displays are set up. Oh, there's Jen. My sister Jen with the amazing ponytail today. I love it. I wish that was my mom hair. Yep, so she's watering and touching up all the baskets today.
Watering super light because there's going to be a lot of cloudy weather.
Yeah.
So only what's on the verge of wilt do I give a little drink.
Yep, you don't want to water heavy on a cloudy day or a stream of cloudy days in a row, because that can cause a lot of molding and mildew and fungus.
Yeah.
Gnats. Yeah, we have too much fun. I ran out of trays, so I figured I'd get some clips.
Do you have any WCs in there or no?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Okay. I love that. Looks like the Calliope lavender. So pretty. It's gotta be. Ooh, this one up here is so bright and beautiful. Well, the baskets are definitely getting bigger. They have all kinds of cool metal baskets too, filled with all kinds of bright colors. I always like these beautiful copper ones. Looks so nice and pretty and full. Oh, look at this one. This one looks so sunny and happy. On a cloudy day, this looks very happy. So gorgeous.